In this video, we'll demonstrate how to download a route for offline use in Google Maps. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to download a route for offline use in Google Maps, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get straight into it. Open Google Maps on your device. Tap on a starting point and set a destination to display the route you wish to download. Unfortunately, Google Maps doesn't have a direct option to download a specific route for offline use anymore. Instead, tap on your profile icon at the top right. Select Offline Maps and then choose Select Your Own Map. Now, select an area that includes your starting point and destination, ensuring it encompasses the route you plan to take. Tap Download at the bottom right. Be mindful that the download might consume considerable storage space on your device. By downloading these offline maps, you'll have access to the routes even without an internet connection. Whenever you use navigation within these areas, Google Maps will utilize the downloaded offline maps to provide you with directions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. For additional tutorials and insightful information, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.